In 2005, thieves pulled off Brazil's biggest bank robbery without ever setting foot inside during business hours. The Banco Central in Fortaleza looked impossible to rob. Thick concrete walls, advanced security systems, armed guards during the day. But these weren't ordinary thieves. They rented a house 2 blocks away and started digging. For 3 months, they worked like engineers, measuring distances with precision, calculating angles, removing 3.5 tons of dirt grain by grain. They dug at night, stored the earth in bags, made sure neighbors never suspected anything. The tunnel stretched 200 feet underground, perfectly aimed at the bank's vault. On a quiet Saturday in August, they broke through. $70 million, gone by Monday morning. The tunnel was so well built that investigators thought it was professional construction work. Police found the rented house, the tunnel, even the shovels, but the thieves had vanished. Most of the money was never recovered. The perfect underground heist that made Ocean's 11 look like amateur hour.